Hello everyone, this is Harsh, the tech guy, and this video is related to Windows 10 tips and tricks. And today I will show you how to backup Windows 10 using file history. So you should be backing up your files and data on the regularly basis to avoid losing your most important files permanently. So in this video I will show you the backup rule using file history, and it will automatically backup PC files to a connected storage media, and you will need a external storage pen drive here. So let's get started. To begin, open the settings first, and here you can see there is option update and security. So click on this, and in the left pane you can see there is option backup. So you need to choose this, and it will take you to this window. So before moving further, you should connect your external device. So whenever you connect your device, in your screen it will show up add a device. So select the add a device option and click your external device name, and then it will take you to this option, that is backup. So I have already connected my external device, so directly I am here. Now after connecting your external device, so there you can see there is an option automatically backup my file. So you need to on this setting. So on this, and now we have successfully on this option. And after enabling this, the file history will back up all the folders in your Windows in every hour. So to change any of the settings, to click on this, there is option more. So click on this option, and you have to wait here probably 1 minute. Now here you can see we have got this window, and you can see we have got all the folders here it is showing. And here at the top you can see there is option backup now, and you can run a manual scan by this. So now here you can select your choice. You can see there is option backup my files. So there is a default setting that every hour, so you can change your any of the settings that every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, whenever you want to back up your file. So I will leave this as every hour default. And here another option, keep my backups. So here you need to select forever default, any of the time you can select it. So it leave at this default forever. And now scroll down your mouse, and you can see there is option backup these folders, and you can see there are many of the folders displaying on the screen. And you can also add a new folder here. So if you click on this option, you can able to add a more folder from this option. If you want to remove any of this folder, so let's say I want to remove favorites, then click on this, and you can see there is option remove. So if you will remove this, then it will not back up your this folder. Okay, now scroll down the page, and here you can see there is option exclude these folders. So if you want to exclude any of these folders, so you can add any of this by clicking on this and add your folder. So it will not exclude your folder to the backup option. And last you can see there is the option stop using drive. So if you want to switch to another drive, then click stop using drive, and it will take you to that previous window where you need to select again your drive, and the same process you need to follow. So now you know how to back up your files and folders, and you have no longer any excuse to back up your data. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, then give thumbs up and share with others. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any tips and tricks like this. And I will see you in the next video.